Hello friends, welcome back to Learning Nails and Aesthetics. Today we are doing a polish that I purchased on TEMU. There are 8 pieces, or 8 bottles. The brand name is, I don't know, VOKY, I guess. It says your nails say everything about you. They are 0.26 ounces, 7.5 mils. And this says non-irritating smell, has a manufacturing date and expiration date, long-lasting. It's stamped over some of the words. It looks like it says 45 days, but that's a bit excessive. It's usually less than 30 days. No shrink gel, high color saturation, super glossy. And the back has instructions: slightly trim and file nails, apply base gel, and cure under UV LED lamp for 60 to 120 seconds. Their cure under, they have as one word. And it even runs into UV. Anyway, 3, apply a thin layer each time. Cure for 60 to 120 seconds. 2 to 3 coats would cover well. Apply a no-wipe top coat and cure under UV LED lamp for 60 to 120 seconds. And caution for external use only. Keep out of the reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes. Discontinue use if signs of irritation or rash occur. Store in a cool, dry place. And then the manufacturer, address, looks like Dongyang Born Biotechnology. Okay. That does have the ingredients. I did remove them out of the box because who wants to see that? I also prepared the swatch sticks ahead of time. We're going to see the difference in the background color. I also applied it 2 coats directly onto the piece. It is clear, as you can see. So we will start with number 1. It says Professional Nail Art Gel Polish, Silk Off UV LED Cured. 7.5 mil, 0.26 ounces. This was, like I said, on TEMU and under, I think it was about $10 plus the $3 in shipping, unless you order more from that particular seller. I think it's over $30, then you get free shipping. The music is my friend's band, Blackwood Avenue. They are from Texas. These are cat eyes, which I absolutely love. Ooh, big difference already. I am not the best with cat eyes. I do have a cat eye fail video if you want to watch me embarrass myself. But I knew it wasn't going to go well when I did it. So that's what I get. I don't know if I can't really see what you can see in the camera. And we are going to bring out the zhush. These are called Peacock in the listing. Let's go to the Ever Faithful line. They are pretty reactive. do see different colors there, and that is just one layer. Let's try to get 2 layers. All right. 1. Number 2. I'd prefer that they have names. Numbers are no fun. That's just not fun. So let me know if you have heard of this brand before, if you have used this brand before. Not really seeing anything going on when I do that. It's a little more obvious reaction on the black. I do have other videos on various polish swatching and nail charms, things like that. Other TEMU products, as well as the Milady Foundations book and their cosmetology book and aesthetics and nails. So do check those out. If you find something you don't necessarily like, there probably is something that you do like. So continue watching. We're going to go back to the number 1 with another layer. Something I really like to do with cat eyes is to add a jelly polish over the top of them. A very thin jelly polish. It has a very awesome effect. These are pretty awesome. I hope they show up as awesome on the camera as they do in person. Probably not. Number 3. You can also apply different base colors. That will make a big difference. Maybe I should have done like a gray or a silvery color instead of just clear on the first swatch. And to bring out the zhuzh isn't really working. It does, of course, much more obvious on the, oh, I bumped it. Much more obvious on the black base. This Beatles magnet I got in the Halloween box, which I made a video on that. I do have a lot of product that I had before I started doing videos. So I may do videos on those. A lot of things, though, especially TEMU items, you can't always share a link, which I don't like to do because things are often discontinued on TEMU. And then you just get frustration by clicking a link and it's unavailable. That just irritates me. So I'm going to save you from that irritation. You can Google the name brand or just the general description of it and find it. Sometimes they will say that in that particular listing that the item is discontinued. And then if you search the description, they will have it anyway, either by another seller or even that seller. I don't know if they do that to change the price or, I don't know. I am not a TEMU seller. But it is extremely irritating. And maybe sometimes they're just out of stock and then they get some back in again. I don't know. Here we are back with number 1. Number 2. And of course I've lost track of the layers. I need a better process because this is not going to work very well. Let's do number 1 again on the white swatch. The pieces have some sparse areas. This one has been done twice already. It does get more pronounced, of course, with each layer. On the white base, the particles aren't very evenly distributed. Make sure I have the right color. That is interesting. I do not really like that on the white base. Number 3, I believe, had only 1 layer. That is kind of interesting with the line under, but we're going to line it anyway. That is pretty awesome. These do have multiple colors. I don't know if you can see the multiple colors. If I can bring it out a little more. That's pretty neat. More zhoosh on one side of the line. It's interesting. And yeah, zhoosh is a technical term. Number 5. Do you have a favorite yet? Sometimes I think the more you mess with it, the worse it gets. So you do need practice, but sometimes you just need to know when to stop too. I think that white one so far has the most defined line. Maybe it just needs some more. But keep in mind, you do not want more than a total of 5 layers. Now that includes the base and the top coat. Not only does it start to look bulky, but carrying can become an issue. And you want super thin, no matter how many layers you're applying. That one's pretty neat. The black is definitely the best for cat eyes, I think. No matter what the brand is. Yep, I just put that in the wrong spot. No, that's right. I think I just messed it all up. Anyway, there we are. Moving on to, yep, I did. I got them out of order. This is number 5. So we have 6. If you can see, there is like a yellow and pink in this. I was hoping for a smoother application on this white, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. That one looks pretty awesome. Put stuff back together. Maybe I shouldn't do so many at one time, huh? How about let's go back to number 4. This one. Yep. Still looks pretty cool. Okay, we have not done 7 or 8. Number 7. I will do more research on how to properly use these magnets. That one's pretty defined. Let's see. Always put the lid back on. Don't be me. Number 5. 6. And the last one, number 8. This has pink and blue. I'm definitely going to say the white is a fail on this, unless maybe you're putting something underneath between the white and the polish. Maybe some stickers or some artwork. But just by itself, I don't really like it. It looks splotchy. I did have these sitting upside down for a while to encourage the mixture. And then, of course, put them right side up for a bit, so hopefully there weren't going to be a lot of bubbles. I don't see any bubbles, but they just aren't popping like they should. And, you know, could be user error, but I mean, what do? You know, you apply the polish, you hold the magnet. Doesn't take special skills or anything, or you think it wouldn't anyway. It might. That one's pretty neat. Again, these were from TEMU. The brand VOKY, I don't know. Your nails say everything about you. They were about $10. $3 shipping if you didn't meet the minimum order. We're just waiting for these last ones to cure. There's one more. Do you like these? Do you have a favorite? Number 1 reminds me of dragons, which I love. Number 2 has the pink and yellow And maybe some orangish going on. Number 3 reminds me of mermaids, of course. Number 4, maybe outer space. Maybe my light just isn't bright enough. I don't know, but I know that they look better in person than they do on the camera, which is unfortunate. Number 5. 6. 7. And the last one, number 8. Purple and pink, also kind of cosmic. Not kind of, very. All right, I hope this was entertaining. If you check out all my other videos, that would be outstanding. I do have many, many more. Let's see, I have, if I can get it to come up, 193 videos. So if you didn't find this entertaining or even amusing, then check out some other videos. Let me know if there is something that you would like to see. I can't really see the camera either, but this one was actually looking very amazing. And if you have any tips and tricks on using magnetic polish, that would be helpful as well. So watch my other videos. I'm sure there's something that will interest you. And have a great day. Thanks. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Thanks. Bye.